welcome you once again. In today's episode, I will be teaching you some Proverbs. Lododo Adeo. Egba mafion of Lododo Adeo. And first, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to everyone that have subscribed to my channel and everyone that have been liking and commenting on my video. I really appreciate your support and a very big thank you. God bless you. You majua mazan mong papa ma dakpana amada share the kana subscribe dan your channel. I am you katana like na your video na na ko comment na akpana mi kata the pakpada ungai ka mi enya na tagba majua mafion Lododo Adeo. Ai Lododo gbantwa ai ala dadivi afivie wolana dadivi afivie wolana. This proverb means a little cat or a small cat do catch a little mouse. When a cat is small, it can never catch a big mouse unless it catch the small one. And this proverb is teaching us to do things according to our capacity. Okay, the second proverb. Alododo Avelia. The wotana hafi zona. The wotana hafi zona means we crawl before we walk. One crawls before, or crawling comes before walking. And it is teaching us to make sure whatever that we do in life, we do it in process. There is no hurry in life. He's teaching us to be patient with the process of life. Don't rush to do things. Okay, the third proverb. Lododo Etolia. Uma no agbede dononu o. Uma no agbede dononu o. One does not take a medication on behalf of a patient. One does not take a medication on behalf of a patient. Lododo Enelia. Vidito mo wa tonugba o. Vidito mo wa tonugba o. A son who looks like the father cannot behave like the father. A son who looks like the father cannot behave like or cannot do things that the father can do. And this proverb is teaching us our uniqueness, that everyone is unique. It doesn't matter your level in life. It doesn't matter the position you attain in life. There is no way you can behave as your father. What your father can do, his experience and those stuffs is ahead of yours. So this proverb is teaching us to humble ourselves. The next proverb, the sixth one. Tomadelai Banazen. Tomadelai Banazen. He who goes to the stream breaks the pot. Is he who goes to the stream breaks the pot. And this proverb is teaching us that what you are good at doing is what brings you your ends meet. And the seventh proverb, Tomadela Manuaba o. Tomadela Manuaba o. Which means he who goes to the stream to fetch water does not drink mud or cannot drink a dirty water. He who goes to the stream to fetch water cannot drink a dirty water. Which means what you are doing, you eat the best of that. Everyone's eat the best of their labor. And the eighth proverb. Na abobo inugbala klogboy wojena. Na abobo inugbala klogboy wojena. Which means when a snail travel, he do pay visit to a tortoise. When a snail travel or embark on a journey, is the tortoise that receive it. And this one I can't tell the meaning now, but I can tell you later at the comment section. And the ninth proverb that we are looking at today is Manya chimala malatai ada mumunado o. Manya chimala malatai ada mumunado o, which means it's not because the catfish does not bath, that's why you do smell. And the 10th proverb, Manya kutai ojaba miagba anododo o. Manya kutai ojaba miagba anododo o. Not because of that we won't sleep again. You cannot say things are not going well, things are not good for you, so you won't eat. By all means, there everybody has a problem. Though you have a problem, by all means, you eat. Okay, the next proverb that we are looking at is Glitchwamogboy Odeame. Glitchwamogboy Odeame. Like the wall that is closer to you is what you can back, or is what one backed. That means what or something that does not concern you. Don't force yourself to involve yourself in that. An issue that does not concern you. Don't force yourself to get into that. Don't be poking into people's stuffs. Yeah. The next proverb, Gemetu ahona adaba o. Gemetu ahona adaba o. Ge is the beard, adaba is the eyelashes. So Gemetu ahona adaba means the beard cannot be a historian or tell a story to the eyebrow or the eyelashes, because these things, they are here a long time before this one comes. So simply it means we must respect our elder, those who are above us in age. We must give them that reverence. Yeah. The next proverb that we will look at says Fiafito mewua agleto o. Fiafito mewua agleto o. A thief can never benefit more than the farmer. A thief can never benefit more than the farmer. It shows that no matter how bad things are, you, the one that is laboring, you by all means get something out of it. So never give up on life, never give up on what you're doing. You by all means get what you want. Okay, the next proverb that we will look at. Hello, dodo sinimi agala nukudwa eyanya blifa nya majo ala koklo fofonu o. Blifa nya majo ala koklo fofonu o. It means corn's case or corn's matter can never be vindicated in the courts of a hen or cock. Cock or hen and corn or maize, they are enemies. I will tell you a story concerning that in our subsequent video. So remember to subscribe, like this video and share. Subscribe so that you will not miss that corn and hen story. Yeah. Okay. So no matter how right or your case might be, what happened, no matter how right you are, when they take it to your enemy's court, there is no way you're gonna be vindicated. You by all means lose. Okay. The next proverb that we will look at is Hebiji majonakle ato. Hebiji majonakle ato. It means a bird that gets angry or a bird that is angered can never fly with its nets. Can never fly with its nets. It will go and come back. So no matter how angered you are, you can never leave your home. Home is home. Okay, so this proverb is teaching us self-control, how to control our anger. The next one, angba sitre didilai tragege. Angba sitre didilai tragege. It means a leaf that turns yellow first is the one that falls first. A leaf that turns yellow first is the one that falls first. This one I will not explain. The next one that we will look at, adukonu dometolavo or adukonu domelavo. It means the teeth smile, but the stomach is different. You know, someone can be smiling at you, laughing with you together. You might think they are happy with you, but inside them they have plotted something evil that we don't know. So the teeth smile, but the stomach is different. That's inside the heart. The heart is different. So this one is teaching us to always be careful with the people we move with, especially the ones that are laughing with us. Okay. The next proverb, ada melia jido o. Ada melia ajido o. You can't climb a baobab tree in a hurry. You can't climb a baobab tree in a hurry, because baobab tree is something that is very big, that you cannot be in a hurry and climb it. To climb a baobab tree requires some level of patience and some talent. So you can't climb it in haste. And this proverb is teaching us to be patient in life. There are some things that you need not to rush the process. Yeah, they will come automatically. You surely get it. The next proverb says, "Bedadada amagbo menya vija wawa o." Bedadada amagbo menya vija wawa o. Talking to someone hastily is not friendly. Talking to someone hastily is not friendly. I think this one have a direct meaning. Adidoti lolo gake mama aka o. Adidoti lolo gake mama aka o. The baobab tree is big, but it can never be used for a charcoal. The baobab tree is big, but it can never be used for a charcoal. This simply means not every big thing or every high thing is good. Not every height is good to attain. Some things, they might look so big, so beautiful, so attractive, but when you get there, danger, they will not last. So not every big thing in this life worth it. Okay, the next one that we look at, Klukpoji medeaji o. Klukpoji medeaji o. It means a tortoise can look up, but it can never climb. A tortoise can look up, but can never climb. And the next one that we will look at is Ahune medu anyi fokpa o. Ahune medu anyi fokpa o. Ahune is hyena can never wear the shoe of a cow. Hyena can never wear a shoe of a cow. Actually, ahune is not hyena, but I mention it because it has size of that one. Ahune is just a small animal. A small animal can never wear a shoe of a big animal. So in life we have stature, we have levels in life. So the level at which you are, you do things according to your level. Totomokpo avesehwe jojo be yajo o. Totomokpo avesehwe jojo be yajo o. And the next one that we will look at is afonoape medavi o. Afonoape medavi o, which means when a leg that stays at home cannot make profit. A leg that is idle cannot make profit. When you are idle doing that and always you are at home, there is no way you can make a profit out of that. You see, so always you got to be doing something. So this one is teaching us to be hardworking, and the last one that I will give to you for the day is agbekadzia amanutoi hene. Agbekadzia amanutoi hene. A long lifeline is being pulled by oneself. Like, if you want to live long in life, you got to do it. Agbeka is lifeline. Didi is long. So if you want to live long, Amanutoi, it is being pulled. The lifeline is being pulled by one himself. So if you want to live long, it will come from your drawings. How you live your life, the things you eat, the way you relate with people, when what you do. So agbekadidia amanutoi, a long lifeline is being pulled by the person himself. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Like this video and let me know what you think about this proverb and the proverb that you like most. Write it at the comment section. The ones that have not translate, if you want to know their meaning, what they mean, let me know and I'll do that at the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. Catch you next episode.